We're back. So we have chart 151 here, and it's an interesting chart. This is the regular 2D full resolution chart. It's available on my Facebook group. I don't know if you have to apply to be a member of the group to access the chart. I don't think so. Normally on Facebook, if you apply for you can go to a group, but to apply, everybody who goes to a group wants to be a member of it. There's no sense in going there and not wanting to be a member of the group, right? So that's the name of that tune. Here, it's important with these guys to look at cage link string patterns. Okay? And but before we do that, I just want to stay in the paint program here for a minute. Let's do a Phrygian just to skip Dorian because it's so close to Ionian. It all works. So we have the Phrygian starting with the root, so it would be 3, 5, 7. Okay, in the key of C, it'd be E, G, B. And watch out for this, this third note here, because Phrygian gives you that 7th. You're no longer in a C pentatonic. A Phrygian pentatonic can be done, in different ways. But right now, it can be done in different ways. It can be done relative to the 5th. It'd be like that, or you could just do it in mush. Like that, I don't like doing a pentatonic that has half steps in it, so I would do it relative to the 5th. But this is a try. We want to look at the chord structures so that when somebody says play me an E minor, play me an E minor in the G shape, I want to do something in bass, so you find that E minor and you can go. Alright, so that would be just 3, 5, 7, then to the octave, and up here on this on string minor third. So again, this is the last one we're going to do in paint because we want to move along with the other parts of the chart which are important. So let's just grab some 6 strings of something. We'll find out this actually is somewhere. So we're going to go 7 to 7. A long shift. Okay? And we're going to warp over the top 2 because of the tuning third in guitar. And in paint, I can just roll that over. Who could guess what shape we're looking at now? You guessed it, the E shape. So in Phrygian, the E shape, this is obviously a second inversion because Phrygian is 3, 5, 7. So starting on the 7, we go down, likely this 7. Okay, because we can't play any lower than this E. So it would be this 7. So what fret would this be? It would be almost like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This would be almost on the 7th fret. Let's see if I'm right on that. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here's the B right here. So it would be, so we're looking at an E-shaped Phrygian, second inversion arpeggio. Has that nice staircase up there. So there it is. And we can look at the string shapes. We'll be focusing on the string shapes too. The important thing, like I say with the string shapes, they hold their shape even if they've been warped over or not, depending on what the relationship is. So whether they're here or there, E is the same string shape. A is the same string shape. Here's the unwarped pattern. Okay, so how does that, well, why are you doing this unwarped pattern? What's that? You know, because if you wanted to just say go from the top 6 strings, all right, and not use the bottom part of the, you know, then you'd be looking at that unwarped quality in these 2 strings that we had just warped over, but they keep their same shape. So again, this is looking like the G shape, is it not? Is that not looking like our G shape right there? No, it's looking more like a D shape there. How many strings do we have? Okay, we went 7 to 7 there. Yeah, there's a problem with this one. Let's see what we did. Alright, my bad. I had made a mistake while I was making this one. So this would be the G shape. So you can see that no matter what, the string shapes hold their shape. C is 3, 4, 5. You know, and in this particular case we have 7, 3, and this is minor now. This is all in Phrygian minor. So it starts on the 2nd inversion Phrygian minor. Like that. And we can do it for any of them, really. So I'll just show you how that was put together by going backwards there. It's very easy. You know, with Locrian now, it might be an idea now, because I'm in Paint. It's a little more difficult to get to this. But with the Locrian, if I could just get there. I guess I can't get there. We can't look at the Locrian right now. So let's see if we can get that. Whoa, there's everything. Let's see if we could get the, that's my desktop, it's a mess. And that one background thing with all my badges and everything. my memorabilia, seals and whatnot. So with the Locrian, now we can really kind of hone in on it. As it's interesting, I did a separate Locrian here, and I actually had to add this note. So with the Locrian, it's just 3 notes. Okay, if we want to go 7 to 7 to here, so first we've got to say get rid of this one, because that extra note's going to be a special case. Okay. So, and now we want to warp this over, and I'm doing it in near field view. It might take a little bit longer, but not much. So we warp this one over. Let's see where it lands. Make sure it's not, you know, too badly distorted with my pre-box. So here we're looking at an E-shaped Locrian. This is my favorite Locrian to play because it's an easy pattern. Alright, so the Locrian, it would be 7 to 4, 7 to 4. Okay, we'd skip this string, it has nothing on it, and then 7 2. So Locrian, you can see, has some gaps in it. And then skip the 5th string and then go. Oh, I hit that string anyway, sorry. It has that falling sound. Did you hear it have that falling sound? Dun, 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 dun. You know, it was like, it goes. Okay, it has that falling sound. So there, we've done some of the I guess, you know, creating a caged box. This would be an E-shaped box, and I can show you where that is. Here's the E box.